Nomenclature of organic compounds. IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds containing functional groups. Okay, these functional groups are mainly two types. One is non-chain terminating, chain terminating. Chain terminating means these functional groups are present one of the end in the long chain. Okay, these are comes in between also, end also. Okay, so these are the functional groups: sulfonic acid, sulfonic, ketones, alcohols, amines, thiols. Thiols is like alcohol. Thio word we are using in place of oxygen. In place of oxygen, if sulfur is there, that is called thiol. So similar to alcohol nomenclature. This thio word always in place of sulfur is there. In place of oxygen, if we sulfur keep it, then that is called thio. Example, Na2S2O3, sodium thiosulfate. Actually Na2SO4, sodium sulfate, sodium thiosulfate. In place of one oxygen, sulfur is present, that's why Na2S2O3. Formula, the name is sodium thiosulfate. Okay, next, carboxylic acid, acid anhydride, ester, acid chloride, amide. These are the chain terminating. As well, cyanide means nitriles and aldehyde. These are the chain terminating functional groups. Okay, what are the rules? Rules for non-chain terminating functional groups. First of all, non-chain terminating groups. So the first you had to do that, select the parent chain. Select the parent chain. What is the rule? Select the longest possible chain with maximum functional group and maximum unsaturation without caring whether it is also denotes the longest possible chain or not. Irrespective of the long chain. Okay, long chain is not important, but in the principal chain or parent chain, the functional group should be present. Okay, then unsaturation also should be covered, maximum. Okay, so you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon chain. Actually long chain is 5 carbon chain, but we have to give the major preference for this functional group alcohol. So alcohol number is 1, then 2, 3, 4. Longest chain is only 4 carbon chain, not 5 carbon chain. Okay, whatever you learned in the hydrocarbon alkanes, so here so many rules are not following. Here new rules are there. Okay, so first preference is functional group, that's why. Next, lowest number for the functional group. Okay, lowest locant rule. Similarly here, lowest number for the functional group. See here 1, 2, second position methyl is there, but here 1, 2, third position functional group is there. So according to alkanes nomenclature, we will follow left to right, but here functional group is major preference, then the double bond, then triple bond, then single bond, and normal substitution also. Functional group is major preference, then R, then R means alkyl group, then nitro, then halogens. Okay, these three are not having any suffix. There is no functional group name. These are always taking as a substituents. So functional group is major preference. Suppose more than one functional group is there, we have to see IUPAC order is there, we have to follow that order. Okay, now so numbering is, we have to start from here. This one is the correct numbering. Why? The functional group should get lowest number, substitution not. Functional group is the major preference. See here, numbering, it is the wrong numbering. Then the rule is C double bond O group gets lowest number 3. Here C double bond O group gets number 4, which is not lowest. Okay, so next, rules for chain terminating functional groups. Rules for chain terminating functional groups. Number 1. When chain terminating functional group is present, like aldehyde, carboxylic acid, ester, amide, acid chloride, cyanide, etc., it is always given number 1. First we have to start number 1 there. Okay, so see here examples. Your carboxylic acid is there, number 1. First you give the number 1, then you go for the long chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 carbon chain. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you go for the name, first total carbons are 4 carbons. So first of all, bute. See, what is the IUPAC structure? IUPAC name, the structure is mainly to 3 parts. One is prefix, word root, suffix. Okay, this prefix again 2 parts. Primary, secondary. Primary is cyclo. If a ring compound is there, cyclo we will use, otherwise no cyclo. Here substitution. Okay, word root, number of carbons in long chain. Instead of long chain, I can say that parent chain is the better, क्योंकि now sometimes short chain also parent chain होगा, parent chain or principal chain. Suffix again 2 types, primary, secondary. The primary is telling about unsaturation. That means single bond is there, or double bond is there, or triple bond is there. If single bond is there, N. Double bond is there, in. Triple bond is there, in. Then secondary suffix is telling about functional groups. Okay, this is the main structure. So now 4 carbons are there here. 4 carbons means bute, first word root over, then here substitute prefix, and here suffix. Carboxylic acid, the suffix is oic acid. Oic acid. Now no need to write 1, because oic acid is a terminal functional group, so 1, already it is 1 only. If you write, it's okay. If you don't write also, no problem. Then what about substitution? Second position, 2-methyl. 2-methyl bute. Sorry, here primary suffix is N. Primary suffix is N. Oic acid. Just you cut this E. Okay. So what is the final name? 2-methyl butane oic acid. Here 1 is optional. If you keep it, it's okay. Otherwise also no problem. Next, here same, total carbons 5. Pent, there is no substituents, that's a prefix nahi hai. Then ion is there, okay, ion position, this is the primary suffix, all secondary suffix, right? Pent 3 ion 1 all. Okay, next, if a compound contain 2 or more like groups, that means functional groups, the numerical prefixes di, tri, tetra, etc. used. See here, 1, 2, 3. So 3 times OH is there, so functional group OH suffix is ol. If 2 times is there, diol. 3 times is there, triol. Tri, where is the position? Position you have to mention that 1, 2, 3 triol. What is the long chain? Prop. All single bonds N. All single bonds N. Prop, N. Then suffix, secondary suffix, that is the triol. The position is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total pent. All single bonds N. Pentane. Ketone is this one, so dione, the position is 2, 4. Pentane 2, 4 dione. Okay. Next, rule number 3. The name for benzene as substituent is phenyl. In case benzene as a substituent is there, that is called phenyl. Okay, phenyl. In case the phenyl ring is further substituted, the carbon atoms of ring directly attached to the parent chain in such a way that the substituent on the ring gets the least possible number. Okay, see here, this compound here, phenyl is nothing but one substituent. Okay, here carbon chain is 2 carbon chain, 2 carbons are there, so the one carbon has 3 chlorines. Okay, one carbon has 2 phenyls. Okay, now which principle we are following? Lowest sum of rule. Lowest sum of rule. If you take the numbering, suppose if you take the numbering here 1 and 2, what are the substitution positions? 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. The total is 6 plus 2, total 8 is there. Suppose if you take the numbering from like this, here 1, 1, 1, then 2, 2. The total is 3 plus 4, so 7. So obviously 7 is more preferred. 7 is more preferred, right? Numbering is done. Now 1, 1, trichloro, 2, 2 diphenyl ethane, 2 carbon chain, that is by ethane. The substituent is benzene ring, is named as phenyl. Benzene ring named as phenyl. Just like alkyl, alkane as a substituent it is called alkyl. Here benzene as a substituent it is called phenyl, right? Next, here functional group should get number 1. First of all, you have to identify that what is the functional group here. This functional group is ester. Yes, C double bond O O R, C O O R, like this. This functional group is ester functional group. Ester functional group name alkyl alkanoate. Alkyl alkanoate. The last class we discussed already. RCOOCH3. Here R के जगह पे I can keep it 1C2H5. So first of all, this one is ester. For this ester, the name is alkyl alkanoate. Alkyl alkanoate. I given you one example last time. CH3COONA is there. How you will write? Sodium ethanoate. like that, same similar sodium ethanoate here, sodium के जगह पे alkyl is there, so alkyl alkanoate. ठीक है. Now what is this name? This sodium के जगह पे, so I will write here name. What is this name here? Sodium ethanoate. Ethanoate. Yes. In place of sodium, here methyl is there. Now you tell me. Methyl C2H5COH. Total how many carbons? 1, 2, 3. Total 3 carbons. So propanoate, methyl propanoate, like this. Alkyl alkanoate. This is the alkyl, this is the alkanoate. Okay. The COO attached group, this group name is written first because it is a substituent type. Next. So here, first of all, this is the ester functional group. So this is the ethyl. Okay, remaining 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So propanoate, general name is ethyl propanoate. But here substituents are there. What are the substituents here? Methyl is there and one benzene ring is there with NO2. So first of all, you write normal simple name. What is that? Ethyl. Okay, 3 carbons are there. Propanoate. Okay, over here substitutions you have to put it here before the word root. Okay, now what are the substituents? On second position methyl is there. Yes, second position methyl is there. On the second position a benzene ring is there, that is called generally phenyl. Okay, but phenyl has one more substituent, that's why we have to take bracket. 2 position 1 bracket is there, have to keep it. Then 3 nitrophenyl, again we are giving the numbering 1, 2, 3. Okay, so while you are giving the numbering here, C double bond O C2H5, here benzene ring is there, NO2 group. So here also methyl is there. Okay, what is the name actually? First you give the numbering this much. Okay, so it is a ester. What is this name? Ethyl 1, 2, 3, 4. Ethyl butanoate. Okay, this is the word root, this is the suffix, this is the name, IUPAC name. Okay, this alkyl we have to write first starting, don't confuse. Okay, this one ethyl is this ethyl, right? Now substitutions are there. Substitutions always we have to write here, where before the word root. Before the word root we have to write substitutions, right? Now what are the substitutions here? 2 methyl is there. Okay, very good. 2 methyl. One more benzene ring is there, means generally that is a 2 phenyl. But this phenyl has one more nitro group is there. In that case you have to give the numbering again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this second time numbering, always the main chain attached carbon getting number 1. This is the condition. This is the parent chain. This parent chain attached carbon getting number 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Now, so instead of 2 phenyl, now I can write it here 2, then start the bracket. When we are starting the bracket, whenever in the substitution again one more substituent is there, we have to take the bracket. So 2 then 3 nitro phenyl, 3 nitro phenyl. It is not normal phenyl, it is 3 nitro phenyl. Okay, then just you put these values alphabetical order, you have to arrange. Ethyl, the final name is the final name is, what is the final name here? Ethyl. First you have to write ethyl, then substituents. What are the substituents? 2 methyl, then 2 bracket start 3 nitro phenyl, then total how many carbons are there? 4 carbons. So bute, all single bonds in functional group O8. Okay, so again I am classifying. This total is the substitution, this is the word root, this is the secondary suffix, sorry, primary suffix, this one is the secondary suffix. Okay, right. So this name over. Next, if the organic molecule contain more than one similar complex, fourth point, you can read this point, fourth point. An organic molecule contains more than one similar complexes substituents, then the numerical prefixes such as di, tri, tetra, etc. used already. It is similar to last hydrocarbon nomenclature. Sorry, but in that case we used only di, tri. In the any complexes are there, we are using, instead of di, tri, we are using bis, tris, tetrakis, dash dash. Okay, so see here, what is the long chain here? See, functional group is the main functional group is the 1 carboxylic acid, then 2. On the second, this functional group is there. Here also one complex is there because here it has functional group, but both are same, CH2OH, CH2OH. Okay, so in this case, suppose just you assume these are the hydrogens. If these are the hydrogen, what is the name? Ethanoic acid. Okay, if these are hydrogens, ethanoic. Now these substitutes you have to write before the word root. Okay, what is this name? Single 2-hydroxy ethoxy. Ethoxy means CH3 CH2 OH. This is the this is the ethoxy. Okay, this is the CH3 CH2O. This is the ethoxy. Of course, ethoxy is there, and this ethoxy has one more substance. That is why complex, na? That is the reason this is the complex. ये OH है. This much is ethoxy. Okay, this ethoxy has one OH. So what is the position of that? 1, 2. Second position में hydroxy group is there. 2-hydroxy ethoxy ethanoic acid. Okay, 2-hydroxy ethoxy ethanoic acid. But this 2-hydroxy ethoxy groups are 2 times. So we cannot write here di. Instead of di, we are taking bis. When we are taking bis, whenever the substituent is little complex. Okay, complex means substituent के अंदर again one more substituent is there. Suppose here this nitrophenyl is there. Suppose one more nitrophenyl is there. In this case also we will take bis if one more nitrophenyl, like that. Next, write IUPAC name of the following compounds. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. You can take any side. 3, 4. And the second position, ethyl is there. Okay. Now, what is the ester nomenclature? Alkyl alkanoate. What is the alkyl here? This is the alkyl. Okay. Methyl. Total 4 carbons are there, generally butanoate. But substitution is there. Before we had to keep the substituent. Methyl 2-ethyl butanoate. Okay. Next, CH3 taken thrice COH. First you write a proper structure for this. CH3 3 times, then C double bond O and H. Okay, now you give the numbering. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. So 2, 2 dimethyl propanol. Sorry. Okay, wait. Here there is no carbon, only one carbon is there. So this is OH. See here, only one carbon is there. On the single carbon, 3 methyl groups are there, 1 OH is there. 3 methyl groups, 1 OH group is there. So now the numbering is here 1, 2, 3. Chalega. You can take straight down also, left also you can take it. Now total propane, if there is no methyl here, propane, alcohol name is ol. Okay, where is that ol position? Second position. Okay, just you cut this E because E and O is there. But what about the substituent? Second position mein 1 methyl is there. Okay, final name is 2-methyl propane tool. 2-methyl propane tool. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, third position methyl is there. So this long chain is butanoic acid, but third position methyl is there. 3-methyl butanoic acid. 3-methyl butanoic acid. Okay. So rules for IUPAC nomenclature for polyfunctional compounds. If more than one functional groups are there, these. Here, the carboxylic acid, the suffix is oic acid. This oic acid already we learned. Okay, but as a prefix we have to take carboxy, that name. Then sulfonic acid, sulfo is the prefix, sulfonic acid is the suffix. For anhydride there is no prefix, oic anhydride. For ester, alkoxy carbonyl. For IUPAC this suffix alkyl alkanoate. Okay, this is the alka, OAte. Next, acid chloride. For acid chloride, oil chloride. Okay, so as a prefix its name is haloformyl. Amide is amide only, but as a prefix carbomyl. Then cyanide, nitrile, this prefix is cyano. For isocyanide, isonitrile already we learned in the last class. Now prefix, as a prefix it is carbyl amino or isocyano. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट ऑल्डिहाइड, ऑल्डिहाइड के लिए ऑल, सपोज बीच में है तो एज ए सब्सटेंट इट इज फॉर्माइल. फॉर कीटोन ऑक्सो. ओके, कीटो ऑक्सो. नेक्स्ट this carbaldehyde, whenever it is not covering in the main chain, in that case we have to take carbaldehyde. Okay. Next, so these are the suffix and prefixes you have to learn. Here you can observe carboxamide. What is this carboxamide?